there are no customers for our rice. Right now, we have the rice in abundance. And then when we speak now, the price of the rice has drastically come down as compared to last year where the price was okay. And
for hi Ghana TV, message like, comment, subscribe, the notification that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. For oh, the asempa nabo 24-hour ekomu kwang. Oh, the asempa nabo 24-hour ntrong kwang. John Mama, Missy John Mama, John Mama, for Nyami Crawford, Omusun, Volta region. Hey. La. Nyami Crawford Voltarians no. Omusun. Now other than Voltarians no soon. Voltarians are soon because said the whole country is focused on cocoa and cocoa prices. But beyond cocoa and cocoa prices, what is happening in Volta region at the moment, they say, rice, local rice production, that sector is collapsing and John Domani Mahama. The local rice sector is collapsing under John Domani Mahama. Now, one of the major reasons for ADISC or local rice production is say exchange rate at John Mahama and the Bank of Ghana governor or my temper with no as senyama anti equiaphone rice farmers no they are finished harvesting rice. There is nobody to buy. Now, why is there nobody to buy? Aside the exchange rate, number two, nini say, nkrofo na kanino beto rice no, and then omuniska. And then na omuniska because of the sterilization Bank of Ghana has done. Say muka say akachi dem say Bank of Ghana is 60 billion Ghana cedis every system no. That capital is no longer available for nkrofo will be out here loan in those things. And there is a very big complex problem. I build it up. Now where me they say Miami crop for K2 North, Volta region. Ya catch the Voltarian say, and this year a year they be a to abamam and this no. Ya who so fast wo bia say development to say policy wise o fast wo bia ne so. Ya kasa ya bre. Min crop sorry bia na makoto ama ndisi. Omo sorry bia na makoto ama ndisi. Ene mu. Emo ne wo ho a assess no. Emo ne wo ho a musu. Na musu kire wan. Ese musu kire wan, musu kire MPP4. One name to mu rescue. Why? Because me say min crop for we no. Mbe fa we nyina mu. Election year, musa be say sanline kotuma NDC. Nya NDC di ya ye min crop for me juwa me ntiase o.
there are no customers for our rice. Right now, we have the rice in abundance. And then when we speak now, the price of the rice has drastically come down as compared to last year where the price was okay and then the farmers were happy. But right now, the price has come down, and moreover too, there are no customers to buy our rice. And again, as we speak, the input costs are the same. The price of harvesting, conveying, the transportation cost is the same, but the price of the rice has come down drastically. And as we speak, there are no customers to buy our produce. And then the farmers, we have farmed and then we have harvested, the produce are there, but there are no customers to buy them. So we are still going for loan, and these loans come with exorbitant interest, which is making it difficult for especially with the youth who have the interest to go into farming to lose hope. And then I can see also that one of the key challenges that we are facing is that there is no general milling point. Maybe the government producing a milling point where every farmer can easily access and then mill his or her rice. the milling points that we have belongs to individuals, and sometimes you go there, you spend the whole night over there just because there is population, and then you need to wait. And after going through all those hassles, you don't have anybody to buy your produce for you. It's very challenging. And so we are appealing to the government to do something, because actually, when it comes to rice farming, this area is maybe the host in terms of all rice farming. But right now, as we speak, we are in so much crisis. As you can see, these rices here, this bag of rice here, all of these things are mine. They dried it about 2 weeks ago, but because of money, I can't convey they are here. It rained on it last 3 days ago. So we are just came to inspect it and see how they are doing, so that I will find a means to convey them. So right now, we have the farms, we are ready to farm. But the challenges are one. The price of our produce has come down drastically. And as we speak, we don't even, as it is down, the price appeal, how do you call it? Our customers are ready to buy. They are not even having the money to pay us. So we can't sell. So we are in need of a lot of help in terms of whether it is loan or whatever. If not, the major season that is what close. That we those that are into the farm without the use of the irrigation process, we need money to start our farming. Yes, much. So we need a lot of help. We want the government to assist.
Hello Ghana, for my church, I'm watching my mom, my baby, Mobia. I'm saying, my home be Dibia, Miracle Abuaji, Ugina Urumana, where press conference, I'm saying, who say, and this for ne Equiafono and in the year. Say up to now, in Pia one mocha. Teacher Gojo. Analysis yana say or the same summarization now you know say what condemn br0kɛ boaje ena sa the same Randy abi ni kutumpa wo twene nyina no wo gidi say wo mo free so no na do no ba no ne kada ho ene ke say wo mo de ebehye NDC for na the same MPP for no ye partisan politics teacher Gojo yenu. So we can say time one now. MP before the fire, we training college, you know. No what nefia NDC for arm for war. And so quite BB, and as a press conference should be the good abano ni masi. And I'm so you my bow. It no. Why you so bitter? Nasema woka ya ode can say Randy Abi. Ni kontumba wo bia no wo gidi no. Say no kura say Randy Abi no money and this for no e ba ye no ne kada hwa adentina say ni yakoban say ono wo ba ye wakra sa pickups mako 100 and something Range Rovers wakoto miensa wono ne ba ko ni deputies for the emienu e kada hwa mo amunum se kada hwa no no makoto sakasi edem eno de wo modi no na se bi na nado no mo e bae no na se e ka anase sika e wo ho ena wo no e free so o medical abeto ho a da ba na hunu se akuafo na nado no penso MPP penso akuafo be kan se sika eni ho anase yentu omuka up to now say abano Mahama ebuo no wo se o mano na mo journalist fo no ya fefe imbre kwa krebi a shemon se mo mu twa nkondompo no wo se wo mano yedi kan adwuma fo obeyi o madi wo mu so mo abam adwuma mo abam mo ya adwuma no yentu omuka teacher for nurses doctors yentu omuka enu so nanchen sa omo was street so omo di dwai ya shada kwashi dwa ne ya kase obi ensi ho no bedan didi sei ne yakoban se every day bia yes wo mokra or saying sa excavators it in thousands sika be no mo de kra sa elevated say sa excavators see anya sika so mo de tua or saying kuafo no mo de yesa na mai anu sin dan chen hwese na no mo ye or saying primary and this for your primary hwe sika wo mo say no ho NDC for MPP and CPP for one more ba mo ne Ayɛka no eni ni ye semonim history no a me ka che mo firi Kwame Nkrumah penso me Kwame Nkrumah me hu ye to nya dia me ka sem papa bia fa Kwame Nkrumah ho na memo no efo no ho woni Ayɛka ani ni ye kura ne penso sa propaganda ni nkontompa and CPP for etwai anase NDC for ye eno na Kwame Nkrumah penso no mo yo bonwu de opani bia na afre no apia dankwa yes wona ye akuafo hene afini duru ho na koko etono ebemu a na odi kan eko se Kwame Nkrumah ho oso sajifo akuafo si koko no ombeton no wole sensia na sa time no the whole time Kwame Nkrumah so no afibia adisen pia na nkwa ekọ ka se akuafo se won mo beto won koko no sensia na so international market na yes that time no you can 4,000 na kase and then say you can 1 million and no money di no nwino kosi se wo firi so ansa na UP4 ba ama akuafo no anya wodi san koko price ya eye na dan nyina no ne yakoba se Kwame Nkrumah so ne tactics no mi se koko akuafo ni na ya santifo because ansa na koko no ebeye resign backbone of the country's economy no na santifo na de ho abagimu enti kuafo ni nyina no na almost wo ye asantifo na monka hu se koko yi ne ye de chichiro manu le kono ho no koko sika ayefa moda efa anase se koko fo no kura tuya 3/4 ya 1/4 no revenue a ye de ye no na ye koko timber ani gold ani actually Ghana man na sebi mutika se mode hwe what say enchini na say youth no woman the total say sanitary parts wamu wi o ma no ese no na munyina mo akama no atom especially sa stakeholders he said peace council for concerned citizen for what is saying labor organizers munyina mo akama no atom because say Mahama memwo no what is ka she envelope mamo na mo akama no atom na ngase aso edi bo ma no sa sika ya cheche mamu yi entimi ya kwan entimi NCC hospitals entimi ntua adwumayefo ka se adwadifo esu se yentone ma adentra because workers yentua omoka makama no atum na se yentua worker eka hwan ba bedi dwa ma adwadifo no so wo mo ensa ka omoka krawa ani firi wa nia ekoban se sika so omode ye ne manyina no omode ye party no ho adwuma ena omo chede yaka susu egu wonu mbotomu enti teacher kwadwo mo de monkoso na saa journalist fo no monkoso na o man nsei na se ya munyina mu wo mu abrofo nye se na omo yo enyuma pa ada orisan party no so ofiri so a oye nyina no omo eda na di yense no Adipa na do be bia montimi emodi ni kase wo mo yese ni aya de kese won ba no mo anya hwe enu ntuno mo do mo kogina court se wono mo asɛ sika na mo da monyeje ɔresan sa envelopes no na ɔma no nsɛi sɛ Mahama senkana na do na teso na mo tese yɛse yakosi ni wahine wɔresan o manfro so a enka bɛka sɛ na do emfira konya no so monti bi da anso na Mahama yɛse na wahine wɔ Nigeria enu nti wabuye kwana tumu a Nigeria for ebɛhye o man no ema obias the whole world sunim Nigeria for suban enti teacher kwadwo me mo aso ate miracle aboagi ne okogina eye no ni kwanso ano no na edisan Mahama pese wo ma akuafo ne prostrated na wo nsaso no wo moton na mo de mo galamsey no na mo de mo nkoso na yense no na mle beba no mo anka yensu beka yasre na do no mo ne MP before amemwo ngese no mbu no o sese wa mo se wa ma no ne kokofo no mitimo fo mesra mo masa ne ma ya wa mo ye e ma mo nkoton mo kokoko no na se mo nsase no because mle beba no kokoko bo no be koso ne sense ebedu na nipa kakra bi no kokofo ne price no koso ntimo ntie se nkrofo we eno mo propaganda yi mesra mo nton mo sase